Hello, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Forest Roads Apartments. Today, what we are planning to talk about, the slow move between a security officer and a security person. Well, our radio frequency tonight was channel 22 on security code 000. Now, if we click on Lexington County, and we look around, they got a fire service dispatch, they got a region police channel, they got a jail channel, and they got jail channel 2. And after that case, they got a public safety dispatch, which is a multi-dispatch, their fire dispatch, and just to show you guys what my walkie talkie looks like, it's this baby. Right here. This is what I got on Amazon. It's a pretty nice one. So far, I only picked up static. So if we click on Columbia Tower Company, we look around, nothing. We click on the businesses there, we look around. Walmart, West Columbia, they got a Michael's. So it's actually Michelin Tire. Amazon First Night Facility, which they got Genoa Baptist Church paging. They got an ops one for it. They got the Lexington 700, the Gibbert 700. They got the Lexington County Medical Center paging. Now, if we talk about Richland County, we're going down, we look at their fire department. We see like they got northeast, they got northwest, southeast, north dispatch, 800 millibytes, fire ground 1 through fire ground 4. And LifeNet helicopter and Panoramic Richland Hospital, Providence Hospital Security, and after that we look at Columbia. We see Columbia Animal Control, Columbia Building and Ground Maintenance, their parking enforcement, their road maintenance, their traffic and engineering, their transportation buses, which is, just to let you guys know, is moved over to the Mid-State TRS, their water company, plus their unknown. On the University of South Carolina, they got their shuttle buses, which is a frequency of 453.900, and 313 DPL is their tone. So, if you guys like to listen to their tone, please look at it. Then after that, if we click on the Capital City Turbo, we see that there are schools, there's school operations, school bus, maintenance and Richland County School Bus. And after that, they got their middle school ops. They got their school base to base. Bus to bus. They got bus maintenance. And they also got taxi service. And they also got transit buses. Then if we click on Charleston County, we already talked about this one / that one. If you want to look at that video, I'll put it right here or at the end. So if we look around like at their port, they have like some port channels, which the South Carolina Port Authority trunk radio system is an EDAC standard, which is separate. Then after that, if we go on back one, we go all the way down, and we click on your Public Service Authority. We look, and there's a lot of lecture companies.
We got her.
Ooh, nice. That was from the Village. You guys just got some communication from the Village in Bloomington. So then after that, we go on back like to the United States. Now what we are going to be talking about is the radio frequencies in the next state over, South Carolina, Florida. We click on Florida. And after that, we click on Miami-Dade County. So they got 4 fire dispatches. They got one P25 channel, which is encryption, which I'll plan to talk about that in another video coming up. And then after that, looking like at the different EMS, they got Broward CS. And after that, they got Net 1 through Net 3. And their water and sewer. Then their operation, they have a school board admission building. That's their main system. Homestead, they got channel main. channel 2 through channel 8 is in cap and incidentally and talk around. And then after that, we keep on going down. We see hurricane and special events. That's FM. They got 2 public works. Then they got a data. And after that, they got 4 multi-tack channels. So they are all in the 145 range. And then after that, we look at the University of Miami. See their admissions, they have dorm security, which that one is from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. After that, they use parking services. And after that, if we click on the racing and casino, they do not have no talk groups. Why do I click on that one? I do not know why. We click on the Hard Rock Stadium. They got one for their security checkpoint, one for headquarters, one for logistics, one for engineering, one for audiovisual, one for guest services, guides. So those are ushers, guest services, supervisors, command coast. They got 2 wheelchair channels. They got an SRT channel. And I'll be showing you guys how to travel around that area in a video coming up to my channel. So if you guys like this video so far, please click that like and subscribe button. I'll bring back to you guys slide tomorrow morning with another video, so please tag along. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video.